Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a jack-o'-lantern for Halloween, and it's going to be done in squares. That's pretty much the whole thing. It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners, and it's going to be really fun, okay? I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker and regular printing paper. Before we start, hit the like button if you like this topic. Also, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification for when I post videos. The good part is when you do that, you're going to get a little bit of Halloween like cheer, right? Every single day through the month. Okay, so let's get going. First thing I do, let's start with the top right here. I'm going to try to make it as square as I can. Straight across. Doing good. Line here. Line here. Doing pretty good. Hopefully having a good Halloween season. I know I am. I had to change my outfit though. Line across. I had to change my outfit last minute, so I'm trying to find a new outfit. I don't know. I don't have any money though, honestly. So I might just I might just like wear an old outfit, to be honest. All right, go over here. Let's see. So we're gonna do the stem now. And we're gonna go up, cross, down. Like so. That'd be the stem. Cool. Good so far. All right, let's draw the eyes. So normally the eyes are triangles, but I'm going to line across, down, down, across. All right, we're doing good. Down here, across, down, across. Essentially, we're trying to make the exact same shape as there. And now we're gonna do the nose here. So I'm gonna do kind of around the middle here. Do a thinner rectangle there. Before anything else, I'm gonna fill these in entirely with black. If you guys are having a good time, tell me what is your, well, later on after this, what's your favorite Halloween movie? I know for me, my favorite Halloween movie is probably Trick or Treat. I thought that was a great Halloween movie. It gets me in the spirit. My sister doesn't like it though at all. I don't get why. She doesn't. I don't know. I like anthologies though, so I'm really a big fan of that stuff. And we are going to draw the mouth. So right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw another kind of strip like that, and I'm going to space it out like that. Space it out like that. Space it out like that. All right, now I'm going to fill these in gently and slowly here. I'm going to go across here. Cool. And now from here at this point, we can do the details, or we can kind of keep adding to this if you want. You can always add a little bit more. Like if you want, you can make the mouth part a little bit longer on each side, right? So it looks like more of a menacing thing going on. Okay. So let's get into the detail. I'm going to draw thin lines in the stem first. I'm going to draw a line up here, try to keep it straight. And I'm going to draw like a dot, dot, dot at the end too sometimes. And I'm going to make it maybe a little bit different length right there. but the biggest characteristic has to be thinner lines than you use on the outside, because then it'll look like detail. Let's go over here, do the same thing. Line down, see that? Down here. I don't want it to run into any of the features, right? I don't want it to run through the eye there. I'm gonna space it out. And it's gonna be like these little space marks as well. Kind of like perforated paper. If you ever see the paper on the side that you can like tear off. It's kind of like that. And you can make them different lengths, by the way. You can do like big, small, small, big, small, big. You know, it's just kind of random as far as like what you're picking. I think that can be pretty random. I'm going to take a quick little pause real quick. I left a free gift for you in the description. So I have Halloween drawing templates, and they're like how-tos, like a step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a template, and I put 100 of them free in the first link in the description. This is a product I was actually selling before, but now it's completely free. It's just my gift to you, just for being loyal, and the channel's been doing so great. But yeah, go check that out. They're ready to print pages, you know, they're sized to be ready to print. And I hope you enjoy them, okay? They're the first link in the description. Go do that now, or you can do it like after the video. But yeah, I love that stuff. I love activities and stuff like that. I want to think of like some more stuff to do as well. Gonna go over here, and you can make these like any way you want, right? You can make them tighter, you can make them looser. Nothing has to be this carbon copy, right? You can easily throw your own style into it if you want to draw maybe these thick. I wouldn't do thicker lines as a detail, because details are inherently thin lines, and I think that's kind of like, you know, a big part of it. But yeah, that's pretty much it right there. That's a square jack-o'-lantern. I really hope, you know, you have a great Halloween. I know it's been a tough year for a lot of people, and you know, I reach out to you, and I hope you're doing great. And yeah, let's talk about some good stuff, okay? We're going to have a really fun time this month. We're about to roll into, as I'm making this video, we're about to roll into October. So lots of stuff to come along. And I'm going to try posting like, I might take the weekend off, but I'm going to try posting like 3 times a day if I can. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. All right. I'll see you later this afternoon or tomorrow. And that's it. Okay. Stay spooky, and I need you to stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.